God is removing the cobwebs from your spouse's life, from your situation. God is removing the cobwebs. He's lifting you up and he's repairing. He is repairing. Welcome back to Prophetic Diary. My name is Tiny. If you're not already a faithful subscriber, click on the subscribe button. Everything is down in our description box. This Saturday, we're going to be having the shopping code. How to make sure your money is working for you even when you shop. There's quality over quantity. Join me in the shopping code. God has given us the secrets here in PD, how to thrive in the kingdom, how to thrive in your business, in your life. We also have coaching services such as brand coaching, getting that logo, building your brand. And then we have the She Means Business Bootcamp. This is more so how to run your business, how to make sure your business is successful. It's not just the branding, but it's also the business side of it that you must know. When you want to make sure you're either in that business bootcamp or taking hold of the branding coaching services that I have here, or everything that God, any services that you feel led, because whatever you sow into, you shall reap from, right? So you want to make sure that your money is not going into meaningless things that in the future you won't be able to see. Make the investment. I have the PD Society Circles. These run every single Sunday. This past Sunday, we talked about scarcity mindset and how people walk around. It's not only money, but in relationships and marriages, they have a scarcity mindset. We'll be talking more about these types of things in the PD Society Circle. So just sign up. And there's memberships that are cheaper. Check out the pricing and plans on keywinnassist.com. Get involved. Take your life to the next level. The services are elevators. God has used me as an elevator to take you higher in every area of your life. What is it for us to talk about the Lord and read the scriptures if we don't live in them, right? Get connected. I have a word for you today. And it came from a series of dreams that I had over the weekend that God was showing me. And one of the dreams, there was this parking garage and it was full of cars, and all of the cars had like cobwebs on them, thick cobwebs. And God was showing me that these were the spouses that have been sitting so long that they're stale in their mindsets. It's not literally that they're sitting and causing delays in these marriages, but they're literally sitting in their comfort zones, thinking that they're safe there, thinking that they're okay. So I seen that was one of the visions, and I saw another vision where it was a car and it was jacked up. It was lifted up, but the tires were missing from it. It's like they were getting rotated or replaced. And so God has us lifted right now. But there's also some repairs that is going on in our life. And he gave me this scene from the movie Notebook. And this is where you see where her spouse, her kingdom spouse, has been, depressed and down and, moping a little bit. And the cobwebs are kind of taking over, and she shows up and she comes back, right? And it's like his face lights up and you can see where he's just so happy, and she's willing and she's open. You can see where God had done the work on the both of them before they were reunited, before they could come back together. So her car had to be jacked up. She had to be lifted in some ways, and God had to remove the cobwebs from his life before this reconciliation can take place. So you're really closer than you think if you're always allowing God to work on you. Some people think that they have arrived. We have never arrived. Even once you get in your marriage, there's still going to be things. You get into your ministry, you get into this, entrepreneur life, whatever, there's still going to be work. Even if you start the business, you got to maintain the business and keep the business. So I saw that, and last but not least, I saw another dream. I don't know who it was. It was their establishment. And I, myself, and someone else was helping take down some of the wall hangings and posters and different things that show the building off, show the business off, the success of it from inside, the aesthetics. And I was helping them peel them down. And God was saying, do you have a graceful enough, loving heart to not celebrate others' downfall? I was helping. We got to be careful that we're not preying on people's downfall as well. So how does all of this tie in? I did post on the community page what God had given me for this week, and it is breaking and repairing all at the same time. And he's removing the cobwebs from your situation. Because your spouse, the men especially, thought that they could find comfort and stay safe in that comfort. But the loneliness is creeping in. The silence is starting to eat at them. And God is allowing that very space that they thought was secure to turn on them. Their eyes will be overtaken by God's hand. They won't be able to ignore him anymore. That discomfort is coming to push them out of the cobwebs, hear me, out of the hiding, and force them into alignment with God's plan. Hear me, family. Some of them thought that they had time, thought that it would just stick, or they thought that they could just stick with that. But he says, no, I'm shaking it now. I'm shaking it now off of them. And Psalms 138:8 says, the Lord will perfect which concerns me. God will perfect everything that concerns me. If it's my marriage, he's going to perfect it. If it's my business, my ministry, he's going to perfect it. Whatever it is in your life, God is perfecting it right now. That's why in that vision, that car had to be pulled over, taken up high, and some things had to be replaced. Why? Because he want to make sure you, your promises, your ministry, your business, and your marriage can go further. You might need some new tires so you can go a further distance. So the breaking wasn't meant to destroy you or them. It's meant to align you guys. We just saw that notebook clip from that movie that there was an alignment after his cobwebs was cleaned out, and she did some fine tuning. If you know that movie, she had some things about her personality. She was a brat. She was stuck in her ways, and then he could be a butthole sometimes. So you can see that when they cleaned these things up and the repairs happened, they were able to come back. So God is lifting the broken parts and stripping false coverings. In that vision I had with I was tearing down the different, posters and aesthetics, these false coverings, people thinking that their looks is going to save them, thinking that they just can brand a business. It's more than branding, right? You have to run it with integrity. Your character has to be able to keep this marriage and keep these things. God is talking today. I hope that you guys are listening. Don't fear the breaking, embrace it, because out of this comes building, repair, and restoration. Isn't that what you're looking for? Restoration. Like I said Saturday, get rid of your ego, empty yourself out so that God can do the repairing and the restoration. Apologize, say sorry, put your ego aside to whoever you need to, forgive, move on. Because there's restoration. You don't know it all. You have to humble your flesh. You have to humble yourself, right? And you have to submit to this process and submit to God's timing. And that's just what it is. I hope that this daily bread video helped you get into the flow and stay in the flow. I really hope that this prophetic word anchored you. And I hope also to see you this Saturday in our EXP Masterclass. If you felt led to sow into this, make sure you do that and put a note on it. Cobwebs removed, family. I love you. The Lord wants to put you in alignment. He wants to know you to know right where he's at and what he's working on and what he's repairing. He's able to do exceedingly and abundantly above all you can ask or think. I love you, family. I'll talk to you soon.